Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're a banana bread lover, then this video is for you. It's a simple recipe on how to make two types of banana bread, which are white chocolate and dark chocolate banana bread. So sit back and enjoy. So for this recipe, I'll be using very ripe banana, 3 very ripe banana, and then I'll mash them up to look like this. So you get your mixing bowl and then you add in 1 1/4 cup of vegetable oil or any oil of your choice, and then you add in 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 large eggs, and then you whisk everything up together. So after that, you introduce your mashed banana into this mixture, and then you add in your dry ingredients, which are 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then you fold everything up with a spatula until it's well incorporated. You add in liquid milk, which I made mine with 1/2 cup of water and a 1/4 cup of powdered milk. You mix everything up together and you add it to your batter, and please don't forget your vanilla flavor. You add in some vanilla flavor to this batter. So here I divided the batter into 2, one for the dark chocolate and one for the white chocolate. So for the dark chocolate, I added liquid chocolate toppings to the batter to get that brownish color for dark chocolate banana bread. You get a loaf pan, but for this video I'll be using a mini loaf pan. So you line it up with a parchment paper to avoid sticking to the pan, and then you pour in your batter into each loaf. So here I poured in the white chocolate banana bread batter, and then I poured in the dark chocolate. So after that, you add in your chocolate chunks. So here I'm adding in the white chocolate chunks to the white chocolate batter, and then I added in the dark chocolate chunks to the dark chocolate batter, and you can see how lovely this is actually looking. So this was after baking, and this was the outcome of the banana bread. It looks so nice and it smells so good. So will you be giving this a try? It's a very easy recipe that you're going to enjoy. So if you're on a weight loss journey or on a calorie deficit mode, then having a mini loaf of banana bread or a slice of banana bread won't do you any harm, because it's quite filling, and once you have this for the day, like for breakfast, you feel so full that you won't want to even eat anything. You can have it with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and your day is already good, so it's very nutritious, very nice and good.